Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and I wanted to share my personal opinion in kind of a very quick review of something that is a new purchase for me that I actually now have owned for 2 weeks, and it's this Epson ET-2750 Ecotank printer. So this is the model number of this printer. Now it's usually around $300 to $350. I got it on sale on Amazon for $229, and this is one of the newer types of printers. The Ecotank printers are different than regular printers. Instead of using cartridges that you actually change to print, it's ink bottles that you purchase and that you fill up the tanks that are here with the ink bottle to actually you make sure that you fill out the ink inside. So it actually, you open the printer, you open the tank, the top here, and the tanks are there. It's super easy to actually fill up. You just put the bottle, and when it stops pouring, you're done, and you just close the bottle again. What it also makes is that it actually produces an amazing number of pages of printout. So according to Epson, and of course that's 5% yield on page, up to 6,500 black and white pages can be printed, 5,200 color pages, or what they say is on average 2 years of ink. And so I wanted to have something that is economical when you print out, and it is thanks to this new system of not purchasing ink cartridges all the time. It of course has a nice scanner, which is here, as you see, that I've used quite a lot. It is Wi-Fi enabled, so it prints wirelessly, even from your smartphone, tablet, iPad. It has a little color screen here that you have all the different menus that you can go through. Easy to configure, easy to install. And it has even a memory card if you want to print out pictures and photos. So I've been using it for about 2 to 3 weeks. I've printed probably through 200 to 300 pages of all sorts of things because I wanted to put it through the test. I printed out several photos, color photos, on photo paper, and it's barely visible that the ink has now gone down on the tanks. So it's really amazing for that, and once again tells you that this is very economical when you use. On the ink itself, the printer actually, if you buy the original Epson ink, well, if you buy black plus the 3 colors together, roughly comes up to about $90, $80 to $90. It might sound a lot, but remember that most printers, the cartridges, when you buy the color in black, that comes up to around $90, and you get like 300 to 400 pages of printout, and that's it. Here for $90, you get 4, 5, or 6,000 pages, which means it's really, really cheap to print out on this compared to a regular printer. That's also why the printer is a little more expensive. What's also nice about the ET-2750, it double-sided printing. That's already included in here. All you have to do is in the software, say you want to print on both sides of the pages, it actually prints it out, pushes it back in, prints on the other side, and that also means you're saving on paper. The paper feed is on the top and the back, and it's automatic. Every time you put new paper, it's going to ask on the screen, is that plain paper? Is that, what type of paper are you actually adding in here? So that you can actually, tell the printer what type of paper you're using, depending on the tasks that you'll have. It is a very, very nice printer. It works well. It's fast. It prints very, very well. The scanner is great. Once again, you can do wireless scanning with the Epson software that you install on Windows, and it's just a great package, a great deal. I think if you're looking for some printer I don't see why you should buy one of those regular cheap printers like you used to again. This is an inkjet printer, and it is amazingly good. The Ecotank is really a series of printers that will actually make your printing cost a lot less of money than the regular printers, cheap printers that's out there with cartridges. So that's my quick look and review of the Epson Ecotank 2750, the ET-2750. That is the model number right here. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thanks for watching.